Yoga can be an effective way to alleviate body pain and improve overall flexibility and strength. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have chronic or severe pain. Here are some general yoga poses and practices that can help with various types of body pain. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. 1. Child's Pose, Balasana. This pose stretches the back and helps relieve lower back pain and tension. Begin on your hands and knees. Sit back on your heels and reach your arms forward with your forehead resting on the mat. 2. Cat-cow pose, Marjarasana. This gentle flowing movement can help relieve back pain and improve spinal flexibility. Start on your hands and knees. Arch your back. Cow pose as you inhale and round your back. Cat pose as you exhale. 3. Downward. This pose stretches the entire body, especially the back, hamstrings, and calves. Begin on your hands and knees. Lift your hips towards the ceiling and straighten your legs to form an inverted V shape. 4. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Cobra pose helps relieve back pain and strengthens the lower back and abdominal muscles. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest off the ground while keeping your hips and legs grounded. 5. Pigeon pose, Ekapada Rajakapatasana. Pigeon pose stretches the hips and can alleviate tension in the lower back and glutes. Start in a plank position and bring one knee forward towards the wrist, extending the other leg back and lowering your upper body over the bent knee. 6. Cat-cow stretch on a chair. If getting down on the floor is challenging, you can perform a seated cat-cow stretch on a chair. Sit on a chair and alternate between arching and rounding your back. 7. Gentle twists. Twisting poses like seated or supine twists can help relieve tension in the back and improve spinal mobility. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.